Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best Patio Heater Propane. Number 1. East Oak Outdoor Patio. Transform your outdoor spaces into cozy retreats with this high-performance patio heater. Delivering an impressive 48,000 BTU of heating power, it effortlessly warms balconies, gardens, and poolside areas, making it perfect for both residential and commercial use. With adjustable temperature knobs, you can tailor the warmth to your exact preference. Built to last, its exterior features powder-coated, high-quality aluminum that resists scratches and rust, ensuring long-term durability. The striking 4.7-inch quartz glass tube not only adds visual appeal but is robust enough to withstand the demands of outdoor use. Designed with elegance and practicality in mind, its unique embossed stainless steel surfaces blend seamlessly with any decor, while the mesmerizing flame becomes a captivating focal point for gatherings. Safety is a top priority, with a triple protection system that includes anti-tip shutoff, automatic gas supply interruption if the flame goes out, and compliance with CSA safety standards. Igniting the heater is a breeze with its one-button ignition system that lights up within seconds, and the adjustable control knob provides full control over the heat level. Complete with a battery for convenience, it's an essential addition to any outdoor setting. Number 2. Hykolity Table Design. Experience reliable and efficient warmth with this powerful 50,000 BTU outdoor gas heater, designed to make your outdoor gatherings cozy and inviting. Its one-press ignition system ensures quick and hassle-free operation, while the control valve allows you to adjust the temperature to your exact preference. In just a few minutes, it creates a warm, comfortable atmosphere, making it an ideal choice for chilly autumn or winter evenings. Whether you're hosting a party, relaxing on your patio, or enjoying a quiet moment on your balcony, this heater provides the perfect heating solution. Setting it up is straightforward, with all parts included and easy-to-follow instructions that have you ready in under an hour. Its sturdy construction is complemented by rolling wheels for effortless mobility, allowing you to heat up to 200 square feet with ease. This portable heater is perfect for a variety of settings, from camping trips to tailgating events, coffee tables to fishing spots. Safety is paramount, with features like a one-touch ignition and a specially designed umbrella-shaped top that ensures even heat distribution. Number 3. Jocoevol Table Design. Stay cozy and warm during chilly evenings with this high-performance outdoor propane heater. Delivering a powerful 50,000 BTUs of steady warmth, it quickly creates a comfortable environment for your outdoor gatherings, whether on patios, balconies, or while camping. Featuring a one-press ignition system, this heater eliminates the hassle of complicated setups, making it easy to ignite and adjust the temperature to your preference. Its robust heating capacity covers up to 200 square feet, ensuring an optimal experience for your late autumn or winter parties. Designed with user convenience in mind, the heater is equipped with sturdy rolling wheels, allowing effortless mobility. Assembly is straightforward, with all parts well-packed and intact, and you can have it ready in under an hour. The multi-speed temperature control provides the flexibility to suit your needs, making it a versatile addition to any outdoor space. Safety is a priority, with features such as a stable base and an umbrella-like top design that ensures even heat distribution. Durable and portable, this heater is ideal for various outdoor activities, from coffee table chats to tailgating and fishing trips. Enjoy reliable warmth and easy operation, perfect for enhancing your outdoor lifestyle. Number 4. SMUG Propane Heater. Elevate your outdoor experience with this powerful and efficient patio heater, designed to keep you warm and comfortable during chilly evenings. With an impressive 48,000 BTU output, it heats up quickly and distributes warmth over an 18-foot diameter, making it perfect for outdoor gatherings with 4-8 people. Whether on patios, balconies, gardens, or commercial spaces, it provides a reliable heating solution for any setting. Safety is a top priority, featuring a dual protection system that shuts off the flame if the heater is tilted beyond 45 degrees or if the flame is extinguished. This ensures peace of mind during use. Built with a durable double-layer burner mesh made of 304 stainless steel, it offers superior strength, enhanced durability, and safer heating compared to traditional single-layer designs. Designed for practicality, the heater includes a convenient round tabletop for placing drinks, phones, or other small items, adding functionality to its warmth. A built-in opening allows for easy access to the gas tank. Mobility is effortless with sturdy wheels, while anchoring spikes provide additional stability for secure placement. This heater combines powerful performance, safety, and thoughtful features to make every outdoor moment enjoyable. Number 5. Mr. Heater Propane Heater. Enjoy efficient and portable warmth with this versatile propane heater, designed for convenience and safety. Its multi-directional radiant heating ensures consistent warmth in all directions, making it a great choice for outdoor activities, job sites, or camping trips. Mounting directly onto a 20 pounds propane tank, it eliminates the need for additional stands or bases, ensuring easy portability and compact storage. Offering adjustable heat settings of 45,000, 36,000, and 30,000 BTUs, it provides the flexibility to customize warmth based on your needs. The high-medium-low regulator allows precise control, whether you require intense heat for colder days or a moderate temperature for milder conditions. With a tip-over safety shut-off switch, it ensures secure operation by cutting off the gas supply if the heater is accidentally knocked over. This heater delivers approximately 9.5 hours of runtime on high when paired with a 20 pounds propane tank, ensuring extended use without frequent refueling. Compatible with propane cylinders ranging from 20 to 100 pounds, it adapts easily to your heating requirements. Designed for durability and practicality, it's the ideal solution for creating a warm and cozy environment in any outdoor setting.